The next award is for Best Sound.
And sorry, just to clarify to the lads, Best Sound is for not sound guy but sound engineer, not to be confused with the sound guy who's not that good looking.
The nominees are
John Brennan, Garrett Farrell and Michelle Fingleton, 1916, The Irish Rebellion. Dominic Lawrence, Saul O'Carroll and Andrew Cohen, Danger Mouse. Dean Jones, Colm O'Rourke and John Brennan, Deoch on Dorais. Stephen McLaughlin, Leon O'Neill, Hup.
Please don't hate me, I don't know how to say this properly. Deoch on Dorais.
This wasn't supposed to happen. I need to thank Colm and my new friend Bob. I should thank Paddy and Ciara for making an amazing documentary. I'd love to thank, closer to the mic, sound guys, I should know this. I want to thank Mike Malloy. I think the programme is based on him. It was amazing. It was lovely to work on. And I should go now because I'm totally winging this.
That's all right. Let's go.
Okay,
Thanks a million.
thank you.